Hello everyone, I'm back again today with a beautiful story. Today's story is The Golden Bird. Okay, it's a very interesting story to me. Why? Because from my childhood I did not listen the story. This was the first time I heard the story, and I'm going to say that story in a very expressive manner. Okay, one day there lived a king who owned a tree which bears bears golden fruits. So generally a tree doesn't bear golden fruits, but it is the tree which bears golden fruits. So what happened one day is every day the gardener of the kingdom will go and check how many apples are there on that tree and give the count to the king. One day, what happened was there was one apple less than what actually must be, and the king said that the thief will not be spared. So, what happened is the gardener went the next day. In the next day, also, one apple was missing. Then the gardener said that I will send my eldest son to look this night that who are coming and taking the apple. So the eldest son fell asleep and he did not find. And the next son also did the same and fell asleep and did not find. And the youngest son of all, what happened is he went and he like what happened he saw that it is a bird which is coming and taking that apple. So what happened is, with his arrow, he shoot uh, he he shoot the bird. So the bird has not died, but the feather of the bird fell on the ground. So he took the feather and gave it to the king. But the king said that no, it is not the word to me. You must get the whole bird to me. So, what happened is the eldest son of all will take this task and go there. Then they find a, a fox, an old fox near the woods. So, near the rock, they find a old fox, and the old fox counsels them. So, see, you should follow my orders, what I say, so that you can get the golden bird fast. So what happened is the fox will say that go straight and you will find two inns opposite to each other. One is a very beautiful one and the other one is a shabby one. You should not go to the beautiful one, you should go to the shabby one. What happened is the eldest son will think that uh, who is this beast to say me, and he moves on and he will try to shoot, but the fox will go into the woods. And he, after moving on, he will think that so it will be very little if I go to the shabby one, I will go to the rich one. And he'll go there and start with dancing and feasting with all them and eating. So, and the second day, the next son of the gardener will come, and he will also follow the same advices of the fox, and he will do same as his brother. So both will be celebrating the dancing and feasting and all of things which are going near the beautiful inn. So what happened is, and the third is the youngest of the gardener. The gardener will be afraid. I lost already two sons. You're my youngest son. Please don't go. Then the youngest son says that, Dad, don't worry. I will get the golden bird. Please let me go. Then the father accepts and he will go into the woods. Then the fox gave the same advice like how he gave to the before his to his brothers. And this fellow, the youngest one, will follow and go into the shabby one. And the next day, after resting for a night, he will come out, and the fox will be outside the house and say that go into it, and you will find a castle. Go there, and you go inside, you will find the bird in a shabby cage, and there will be one more cage, that is golden cage. So what happened is, with little curiousness, the youngest son will try to change that, but he will become the repent in that. He will become a prisoner, and the king says that you must get me a golden horse, then I will give you the bow, I will spare your life. So, what he says is that again, when he came out, he will find the fox there. Then the fox says, if you had listened to me, you used to not face all this. But the fox says that, as you are my friend, I will help you. So, what happened is, he will say that, go into the castle and you will find a groom sleeping and snoring near the horse. He will say that, don't put the golden saddle, you will fall into the problem again. Put the black saddle, which one is there, the shabby saddle. But he will say that it will not be apt to keep a shabby saddle to the golden horse, and he tries to keep, again he will be imprisoned. Then the other king says that, if you get me a beautiful princess, I am going to give you the golden horse and the golden bird. So what he says, and again the same process will go on. So the fox says that, go to the castle and you'll find the prince, you go and kiss her and bring her back. And the prince says that, please let me know to the father. And he consents her, and he will be imprisoned. You are not allowed to take my daughter. And the king will say that, I will spare your life in 8 days if you break the hill, which is the side of my window. He will say that it's such a difficult task. How could I do? He thinks it, but he don't say it outside. So what happened is, he will do a little. It almost 7 days will be completed, and the fox will come again. Don't get tired. You rest this night. I'm going to help you. So what happened is, it will be completed, and the king will give the princess to this youngest son, and he will come back. And the fox says that, you're in a very good way, don't mislead all this. And he will go and take this prince to the king, and he will say that, take, king, this is your princess. And the fox gives his advice. You see, as soon as he gives his horse to you, you just keep the prince on that and gallop outside. He follows the same thing, and he will go near the cage, and he will show the golden horse, and he will say that, please can you give me, I will see this one and give. And what he does is, the same thing he sees and gallops outside, keeping the prince on the golden horse, and come back. So what happens is, he will return to the the place where he started. Then he will see his 2 brothers getting hanged. He will say that, I will give you how much money you want, please leave my brothers. Then they will leave the brothers, and the brothers will be thankful to him. But the fox advises that, in your return journey, don't sit near the river bank. What happened is, the 2 brothers will advise him to sit near the river bank, and he will agree with it. But the 2 brothers will throw him into the river from backside. So what happened that time is, he will fall into the river, but the river was dry, and he will take the golden horse and the cage and the princess to the king, and they will say, see, your majesty, we brought everything. And that time the golden horse will not eat, and the princess will start crying, and the bird will never sing. And afterwards the fox comes to him and helps him again. And that time what happened was, the fox will say that, your brothers are getting the reward for the work what you had done. And he will say that, if your brothers will not let you inside if they recognize you, then the fox will give him a new attire, and he will go inside, and after going to the king, he will remove that attire, and the horse starts eating, the bird starts singing, and the princess will be happy. So what happened is, the youngest ones will say all the rogue to the king what their brothers had done, and the king will punish him. And one day, after the king dies, they will become the prince and the princess of the kingdom. One day they will go back to the old place where they met the fox. Then the fox will be saying, please kill me, please. After killing the fox, the fox will become the brother of the princess, and the princess will be very happy. So, yeah, story completed, and the moral of the story is, Don't be greedy and accept whatever you get with happiness.